What if one of the most enduring digital assets wasn't created by a team of Ivy League engineers trying to reinvent global finance, but by two regular programmers who simply wanted the internet to have its own joke currency? While many heavily funded projects with big promises and massive marketing budgets have come and gone, Dogecoin is still here more than a decade later, being used every single day by regular people around the world. The reason this actually matters for your daily life is that it shows culture and simplicity can sometimes create more staying power than complex technology alone. In a space where new coins appear and disappear almost weekly, Dogecoin has proven that being useful and fun can be a powerful long-term strategy that keeps people coming back year after year. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Crypto assets are high risk. You could lose all your money. Some description links may be affiliates. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. The architects. Who's building the Dogecoin? Dogecoin launched in December 2013 as a fun experiment by Billy Marcus, then working at IBM, and Jackson Palmer from marketing. They never set out to build a financial empire. They just wanted something light-hearted in a very serious early crypto space. The Shiba Inu dog was chosen because it was already a popular meme at the time. Both founders have always been transparent and public figures. Today, there is no CEO or single company in control. The Dogecoin Foundation, a non-profit, helps coordinate development and ecosystem efforts. Core contributors and the open-source community on GitHub maintain the code. This decentralized, community-driven model is exactly why it has lasted so long, even when many other early projects disappeared during market crashes. The lack of a central authority has allowed it to survive multiple market cycles and changing regulations without a single point of failure. The utility factor, the core problem solved, and real use case. Dogecoin solves a very human problem, making digital money easy and fun to actually spend. While many assets are treated like digital gold that people only hold in wallets hoping the price goes up, Dogecoin was designed from the beginning as everyday digital cash. It was built for tipping creators, splitting bills with friends, sending small gifts, or supporting causes you care about. With fast confirmations and extremely low fees, it works well for real-world microtransactions where convenience matters most. This practical focus is what gives it real staying power for normal users like you and me who want to use crypto in daily life rather than just hold it as an investment. The utility here is not about revolutionary smart contracts, but about making crypto feel approachable and usable in everyday situations. The mechanical deep dive, how it actually works, and tokenomics. Think of Dogecoin as a global vending machine that never closes. You send a transaction from your wallet, the decentralized network quickly verifies you have the coins, and the value arrives almost instantly on the other side. Usually, transactions take under a minute, with fees often under a penny, even during busy network periods. It uses a script proof-of-work system and is merge-mined with Litecoin through auxiliary proof-of-work. This clever setup means Dogecoin benefits from Litecoin's strong mining power for extra security without needing its own massive separate network. This keeps the system efficient and relatively eco-friendly compared to many other proof-of-work chains. Merge mining allows the same hardware to secure both networks at the same time. This has helped maintain high security levels even with lower individual hash rate for Dogecoin. On the tokenomics side, there is no maximum supply. The network issues about 5 billion new Doge per year. With a circulating supply of around 155 billion as of mid-2026, this creates mild inflation of roughly 3 to 4% annually. This was a deliberate choice by the early creators. It helps keep transaction fees very low. This issuance model also encourages actual spending rather than pure hoarding. We'll come back to what this steady issuance means for the long term when we look at the bigger hurdles later in the video. The institutional standard, compliance, ETFs, and global partnerships. In early 2026, the institutional picture for Dogecoin began to change. The 21 shares TDOG spot. Dogecoin ETF launched on Nasdaq, giving traditional investors a regulated way to gain exposure. Major exchanges around the world continue to list Doge with solid liquidity, making it one of the more accessible assets for everyday traders. The project has also received additional regulatory clarity in the United States, with Dogecoin being treated as a commodity asset. While it doesn't have the same level of direct banking partnerships as some dedicated payment networks, its strong cultural presence has supported real-world experiments. This includes the planned Doge 1 lunar mission targeted for the second half of 2026. These developments show how a project that started as a meme can gradually build bridges to more traditional finance over time. Even if progress is measured and incremental rather than explosive, the bridge is being built. The so what factor: cultural and real-world value in action. This is where Dogecoin stands out most. It has become the original social asset. It is used for tipping creators, charity drives that have raised millions, and small, everyday payments. Elon Musk has played a notable role in increasing Dogecoin's visibility since 2019. He began tweeting about the coin, later calling himself the Doge Father, and supported initiatives such as accepting Doge for Tesla merchandise. These public statements brought significant attention and new users to the project. However, they have also contributed to short-term price volatility at times. Dogecoin also benefits from massive global communities. Millions of fans stay connected through active Reddit communities. r/Dogecoin has over 2.4 million members. Discord servers, Telegram groups, and X discussions remain highly active. These communities regularly organize charity fundraisers, local meetups, educational workshops, and development initiatives. The positive and helpful culture of these groups has been key to the project's resilience through multiple bear markets. In Thailand, Dogecoin has built a particularly loyal following. Thailand consistently ranks among the top countries globally for crypto adoption. Many Thai users on platforms like BitCub appreciate Doge's fun personality, combined with its very low fees and fast transactions. In a country where prompt pay already made instant payments normal, Dogecoin feels like a natural, enjoyable extension for tipping, gifting, and small online spending. This is especially true among younger retail traders in the region. Projects like Radio Doge are also exploring satellite and radio-based solutions to bring access even to areas with limited internet. It shows that an asset doesn't need to be complicated to be genuinely useful in real life. This combination of cultural appeal and practical usability is what keeps Dogecoin relevant year after year. The path to mass adoption, key market hurdles. Of course, every project in the social and meme currency category faces standard challenges that serious participants should understand. Ecosystem competition. Thousands of new community and meme coins launch regularly. Many have faster technology or stronger short-term hype. Maintaining attention and relevance for over a decade requires consistent cultural energy in a very crowded space. Supply and liquidity dynamics. The steady annual issuance of new coins means the market must continuously absorb fresh supply. Observers commonly track how this new issuance interacts with demand and liquidity depth on exchanges. Transparency and security milestones. Open source development with public contributors is a strength. Continued code reviews and community oversight remain important ongoing trust-building elements. Regulatory landscape. Meme and social assets operate in a maturing global environment. Commodity classifications in major jurisdictions help provide clarity. Evolving consumer protection rules worldwide are long-term factors that all projects in this category must navigate. Adoption in this space is a long-term process driven by real utility, strong community support, and steady development. Dogecoin solved the human side of money: fun, accessibility, and community belonging. It uses a simple, reliable DLT that's easy for anyone to use. It has transparent origins with known founders and tokenomics deliberately designed for spending rather than scarcity. It has proven cultural traction, including strong popularity in markets like Thailand. It faces the same category-wide hurdles as other long-running social assets. So here's my question for you. Can Dogecoin's unique cultural power keep it relevant as an everyday spending coin for years to come? Or will newer memes eventually take over? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments. I read every one. If you're ready to take the next step in crypto, check the links in the description. Wallets, exchanges, and more are waiting. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching Crypto Pulse 360. Stay pulsed.